This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. The Madhya Pradesh government has cancelled a proposed rule that would have stopped people with more than two children from getting government jobs. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav ordered the General Administration Department to withdraw the draft rule immediately. The proposal had declared candidates with more than two living children ineligible for government service. The Chief Minister also directed the official to remove the draft from the government portal. The decision has brought relief to many job seekers across the state. The government said the proposed rule will not be implemented and recruitment process will continue without this restriction. Congress leader Meenakshi Natarajan suffered a setback after her nomination for Madhya Pradesh 3rd Rajya Sabha seat was rejected. The returning officer took the decision after objections were raised by the BJP. The BJP claimed that she did not disclose details of a pending case in a Hyderabad court in Telangana. Election authorities had earlier issued a notice seeking an explanation. After reviewing the matter, official rejected the nomination. The development has intensified political debate in the state and could affect the contest for the Rajya Sabha seat. The Madhya Pradesh cabinet has approved the revised cost of the Bhopal metro project. The total project cost has now increased to Rs 10,033 crore. The government said the additional funds are necessary to complete the metro rail network. The cabinet also changed agricultural market fees. While the mandi fee on cotton has been reduced, charges on several other crops have been increased. Officials estimate that the revised fee structure will generate around Rs 800 crore in extra revenue for the state. The government believes the additional income will support development and infrastructure projects across the state. The state government has approved a new development authority by combining Barwa, Omkareshwar and Khedi Ghat areas. The decision is part of preparation for the 2028 Simhast event. Officials believe the new authority will speed up development work in Khandwa and Khargone districts. The committee has also approved the construction of a helipad and a hospital in Omkareshwar. These facilities will improve transportation, healthcare and disaster response capabilities in the region. The government expects the project to boost tourism, strengthen infrastructure and provide better services to residents and pilgrims visiting the holy town. The Bhopal Municipal Corporation has announced stricter waste management rules. Citizens who throw garbage in open areas or burn waste may face fines. The new guidelines were presented during a meeting at the ISBT Municipal Hall. Experts said the rules are aimed at improving cleanliness and protecting the environment. Organizers planning event with more than 100 people must inform the corporation at least 3 days in advance and obtain necessary permissions. During the meeting, Congress councillor Devanshu Kansana criticized delays in civic services, saying even a fallen tree in his ward took 6 days to be removed. Madhya Pradesh is experiencing very hot weather with temperatures reaching around 40 to 41 degrees Celsius in many areas. Strong sunshine and dry conditions are making afternoons uncomfortable. However, the India Meteorological Department has issued alert for thunderstorms, lightning and gusty winds in several districts over the next few days. Weather experts say pre-monsoon activity is increasing and some parts of the state may receive light to moderate rainfall, bringing relief from the intense heat. The southwest monsoon is also moving northward, raising hope for cooler weather and better conditions for farmers across the state.